lives are controlled by two factors or two principles: pain and pleasure. Whatever we do in our lives, right from our birth till our death, just about everything we do, either to get pleasure or avoid pain. Think about it. As small children, we were told to go to school. We were told to study. Few of us went to school and studied to gain pleasure because that's what they liked. People like me studied to avoid pain, call mom and dad. Then we started working as we grew up. A lot of people work because out of pleasure, because they like what they did. Few of us work to avoid pain called life or lack of money, because they don't like what they do. They sometimes, in fact, they hate what they do. And this stage of doing something which I don't like comes from ignorance. Before I tell you how, let me ask you a question. Imagine a situation, you have to travel a small distance, you're in home, maybe a few kilometers within the city. You got out of the home, called an auto guy, stopped him, got into an auto. What is the first thing you will tell that guy? Anybody?
Meter mere 10 rupees.
Yeah, thank you. The place you want to visit, the place you want to go. You will tell him about your destination. Now tell me, why is it important to tell him a destination? Why can't you just sit and go? Why is it important? Anybody?
How does he know where he has to go?
Absolutely. He will go some other place. If you don't know your destination, the high possibility you will not go anywhere. Or even if you do, you will go to a wrong place. Now just imagine, it is so important to know your destination for a journey of few kilometers and few minutes. How important will it be to know the destination of a journey called life? Against that journey of maybe 3 or 4 minutes, the journey of life is long enough, maybe 70 to 80 years nowadays. And a lot of people don't have answer to this question. A lot of people. They don't know what they want to do in their life. They don't know the objective, the goal, the destination of their life. And that's the ignorance I'm talking about. The pain, the misery, the pressure comes because people do what they don't like, and they do what they don't like because they don't know what to do in life or what they're supposed to be doing in life. Being in marketing, I meet a lot of young people, youth who go to college. I often ask them, so what is your goal or what is your objective in life? What do you want to do? A lot of them don't know the precise answer. You get the answers like, I don't know yet, or I'm still thinking, or I think I want to be an actor. I think. Now imagine a situation, you are telling that auto guy was asked you, sir, kidhar jana hai? Kidhar jana hai? I don't know. Or kidhar jana hai? Let me think. Kidhar jana hai? Kidhar jana hai? Kidhar jana hai? What will you do? Most probably you'll take it to the place called Nimhans. That's where you'll go. The stress which has got created in the lives of people is only because they don't know what to do. Ask yourself, what is that I love doing? What is that I like doing? What is my passion? Now most of you, maybe few of you might say, oh, I don't really know what is my passion. I can't find it. I'll give you a simple way. Most of us work for money. Most of us. Because we have a responsibility to shoulder. Imagine a situation where the money which you require on a monthly basis to take care of your family has been taken care of. There is no money problem in your life. You have all the time in your life. Now what will you do? Now what will you do? The thing which you do now is your passion. That is the thing which you really, really like doing. Am I doing that is the question. Am I following my passion? Am I really doing something which I like? When I ask this question to myself, I got a couple of answers. One, I like traveling and I like teaching. Being in marketing gives me a lot of opportunity to travel at a lot of places. I worked in Delhi for few years. I traveled places like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Delhi. I got myself transferred to Mumbai. I worked few years in Mumbai. I got to see places like Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. Last 3 years I am in Bangalore, exploring the 4 states of southern India. Because my job demands me to work, and that's what I even love doing it. My teaching requirement or the teaching passion has not been taken care yet. And that's the reason I joined Toastmasters. Because I wanted to improve my teaching skills or presentation skills. Ask yourself, what is that I like? What is my passion? In 1924, a person who had a passion for helping people improve their communication and leadership skills founded Toastmasters. The small organization which started from the basement of YMCA building in Santa Ana, California, today has presence in 122 countries with more than 13,000 clubs around. A typical Toastmasters meeting has 3 parts. The first part is the prepared speeches, where the speakers will come and they are prepared with their speeches. The second part is called table topics. It's an impromptu speaking. And the third part is evaluation, where there will be feedback given to the respective speakers as well as in overall meeting proceedings. Today being a special day, we will also have something called an education session by President. I'll let you know about that. A person who is going to evaluate the meetings or proceedings of the meeting is a brand manager, another marketing guy by profession. He likes to explore the cultures, different cultures and different cuisines. He also likes learning different languages. When I asked him about the theme of today, which is about burn the seeds of ignorance, he said, by burning the seeds of ignorance, actually it will open a lot of new avenues in our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the general evaluator of today's meeting, Harsha.